Magtungo naman tayo sa elements na makikita natin sa statement of financial performance. Number 1 is the income. Okay? Income, the meaning of income, binigay sa standard. Income means increases in assets or decreases in liabilities that results in increases in equity other than those relating to contributions from holders of equity claims. So when we say income, it is increases in assets, okay? Or decreases in liabilities, okay? Other than those relating to investment, 'di ba? Pag nag-invest tayo, 'di ba? Commonly nag-increase yung asset, yun yung yung ibig sabihin nun. So, kapag nag-increase yung asset natin na hindi involved yung investment, pwedeng pumasok doon, pwedeng pwede siyang income, okay? So, remember, income is increases in asset or decreases in liabilities that results in increases in equity other than those relating to contributions from holders of equity claims, other than those investment, okay? Examples, service income, okay? Revenues earned by performing services for a customer or a client. Examples are accounting services by a CPA firm and laundry services. When we say service income, of course, from the word service na mismo, these are income kapag service business yung type ng business mo, okay? Sales naman tayo, revenues earned as a result of sale of merchandise. When we say sales, binenta mo, okay? Nagbenta ka ng product sa customer mo, okay? That is sales, okay? Tapos na tayo sa income. Magtungo naman tayo sa expenses. Under the standard, sinabi, expenses is decreases in asset or increases in liabilities that results in decreases in equity other than those relating to distributions to holders of equity claims. So, expenses are decreases in assets and increases in liabilities that results in decreases in equity. Okay? Nagpapababa ng equity. Other than those withdrawals. Other than withdrawals. Okay? Expenses po yung nagpapababa sa equity other than withdrawals. Okay? Examples. Cost of sales. The cost incurred to purchase or to produce the product sold to customer during the period, also called cost of goods sold. So, pag cost of sales naman, other term niyan is cost of goods sold. Ito yung cost nung binenta mong product. So, let's say, kunyari, nagbibenta ka ng mga parts ng computer, keyboard, okay? Yung keyboard, kung magkano mo to kung magkano yung nabili mo dito sa keyboard, tapos binenta mo siya, okay? Yun yung cost of sales, okay? Kung magkano mo nabili yung keyboard. So, cost of sales po iyon. So, this is the cost incurred to purchase or to produce the product sold to customer, okay? Salaries or wages expenses. Very basic, okay? It includes all payments as a result of an employer-employee relationship such as salaries or wages, 13th month pay, COLA, and other benefits. When we say salaries or wages, ito yung bayad mo dun sa trabahador mo. Okay? So, dyan mo pinapasok na account. Okay? Sa salaries or wages expense. Telecommunication, electricity, fuel, and water expenses. These are expenses related to use of telecommunication facilities, consumption of electricity, fuel, and water. So, yung mga expenses related for telecommunication, electricity, water, and fuel, ditong account mo siya ipapasok. Okay? Rent expense. These are expenses related to your rent. Rentan mo ng space, ng equipment, or other assets, yan mo papasok sa rent expense. Supplies expense. These are expenses of using the supplies. Examples are office supplies in the conduct of daily business. Of course, pag bumili tayo ng office supplies, di ba, recognize muna natin yan as our current assets. However, kinukonsume natin yung office supplies. Hindi naman yan permanent, di ba? Hindi naman yan, pag binili mo yung yan pa rin. So, hindi, nakukonsume natin yan. So, yung nakonsume natin, that will be considered as supplies expense. Yung mga nakonsume or nagamit natin. Okay? Insurance expense. Portion of premiums paid on insurance coverage. Examples are on motor vehicles, health, life, fire, typhoon, or flood which has expired. Example nito, nagbabayad ka ng premium for insurance. Insurance expense. Let's say, yung tagal ng insurance is 1 year para maging safe, particular yung equipment, okay? So, yung insurance na yon, ang expiration is 1 year, okay? So, of course, pag insurance, yung consumable niyan is within the time period. So, kapag let's say January 1 to July, okay, tapos July magre-report ka na. So from January to July, na-consume mo yung insurance. So yung January to July, ano mo na yun, insurance expense mo na yun. Yung from July onwards to December, ano na yun, hindi mo pa yun na-consume. So part pa yun ng prepaid insurance mo. Okay? When you say insurance expense, these are portion of insurance na na-consume mo na. Okay? So letter G, depreciation expense. The portion of the cost of the tangible assets, building and equipment allocated or charged as expense during the accounting period. So, remember, yung property, plant, and equipment po natin ay nagdi-depreciate. Meron po tayong mga assets na nagdi-depreciate. Siyempre, ginagamit natin siya, naluluma, nasisira, okay? So, dinidepreciate po natin siya yearly. Okay, ang tawag po doon is depreciation expense. Uncollectible accounts expense. The amount of receivables estimated to be doubtful of collections and charged as expense during an accounting period. When we say uncollectible accounts expense, related naman to dun sa accounts receivable mo. So, yung mga may utang sa'yo, of course, yung accounts receivable mo, hindi mo naman sure na 100% mababayaran ka dyan eh. So, mag-estimate ka kung ilan yung percent na hindi mababayaran. So, meron, yung estimate mo ng expense na yun, doon mo ipapasok sa uncollectible accounts expense. Okay? Interest expense. An expense related to use of the borrowed funds. Interest, of course, kapag nangutang ka and kunyari, maker ka, nag-notes ka, tapos naglagay ka ng interest doon. So, yung interest na babayaran mo, yung na binabayaran mo, okay, doon mo ipapasok sa interest expense. Okay? It is an expense related to use of the borrowed funds. Okay, so tapos na po tayo. So, natutunan na natin yung iba't ibang elements ng financial statements. Okay? Meron tayong elements na nakikita natin sa statement of financial position or balance sheet. Let's summarize. Okay? Meron tayong asset, liability, and equity. Okay? Yung mga elements naman na makikita natin sa income statement or statement of financial performance, meron tayong income and expenses. So, tapos na po tayo. I hope meron po kayo natutunan sa elements of financial statements. So, maraming salamat. For our next video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay the account. So, patututunan natin yung kung paano ba yung account, what is the meaning of account, paano yung gamit nun or yung purpose nun. So, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.